Today I'm going for a night flight. I hadn't flown during night time in over 11 years. So last time I flew during a night time was with my instructor during my private pilot license training. So theoretically this would be my night solo, if there is a such thing. I have pre-flighted the airplane. Everything looks good. I have some cameras attached as well. I don't know how much I'm able to capture. These GoPros are notoriously bad under low lighting conditions, but I'm gonna give it a try, and then we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, talk to you later.
District Ground Grumman 66 Romeo Delta at the north ramp with the information Papa VFR would like to do a full stop.
66 Romeo Delta, District Ground from the north ramp, runway 3 left, taxi via Delta, Alpha cross runway 34.
Delta Alpha cross runway 34 for 6 Romeo Delta. Okay, Delta Alpha to 3 left. Everything is different. Night time. Hope I don't screw up today. Fishy ground Grumman 66 Romeo Delta run up complete.
November 66 Romeo Delta, just want to verify you want to do a full stop taxi back today?
Full stop taxi bags for 6 Romeo Delta from
66 Romeo Delta, runway 3 left, just monitor tower.
3 left monitor tower 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, left traffic 3 left, clear for takeoff.
Left traffic clear for takeoff for 6 Romeo Delta. Canopy lock, gas looks good, make sure looks good. Feel like my first solo. Third airspeed alive. 60 knots. Rotate. $1,300 feet. Timing. Everything looks really weird.
66 Romeo Delta, 3 left, clear to land, traffic heading to your right, police helicopter 2500 going northeast.
6 Romeo Delta 3 left, clear to land.
Tango 1, you want me to cross over the top again? Yeah, you can go over the top. Traffic just started to your left, has inside 2000 in the pattern. Alright, I'll still inside for Grumman 1.
Traffic. Traffic.
Feet.
November 2, November Golf. Where are you parking tonight?
We're going to ask for 2 November.
2 November Golf, roger, left turn at Delta, Golf, hold short, 3 left.
Alright, we're going to go to Golf for 2 November Golf.
2 November Golf, roger, hold short of 3 left at Golf.
Alright, hold short of 3 left to Golf, 2 November Golf.
November 66 Romeo Delta, turn left, taxiway Bravo, taxi to runway 3 left via Alpha.
Left at Bravo, taxi to runway 3 left via Alpha, 6 Romeo Delta. Oh, that was a bit intense. Honestly, I couldn't identify the airport until the last minute. Beach Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, holding short 3 left.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Beach Tower, make left, close traffic, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, make left, close traffic, 3 left, 6 Romeo Delta. Tower, the runway lights all the way up.
I think I got another step, hold on.
Roger.
Beach Street Tower, Sundowner 9341 Sierra over Stone Mountain with information, Papa, full stop.
November 9341 Sierra, Peach Street Tower, roger, continue inbound, right base for 3 left.
Alright, right base, 3 left, 41 Sierra.
November 66 Romeo Delta, runway 3 left, clear to land.
3 left, clear to land, 6 Romeo.
Did that help on the lights?
Yes, 6 Romeo, thank you.
Roger.
So this time I'm doing a much shorter approach here. 500 feet to go. A little bit of power.
Tower 41 Sierra is going to be going to the north ramp. Do you want us to exit 3 left on Delta?
41 Sierra, approved as requested. For 66 Romeo Delta, 3 left, taxi via Alpha.
6 Romeo, say that again.
Taxi to 3 left via Alpha, 66 Romeo Delta.
Taxi Alpha, turn at Bravo right here.
Yes, sir, Bravo.
Thank you. It felt better the second time. First time I was pretty much looking for it. I was not sure where it was.
November 66 Romeo Delta, make left close traffic, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff for 6 Romeo Delta, close traffic.
November 66 Romeo Delta, runway 3 left, clear to land, wind calm.
3 left, clear to land for 6 Romeo. Thank you.
Traffic not available.
Fish Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, we're gonna go to the north ramp.
November 66 Romeo Delta, roger, turn left at Bravo and taxi to the ramp with me.
Bravo, taxi ramp with you, 6 Romeo Delta. Thanks for your help, 6 Romeo Delta.
Okay guys, that was a great flight. I was a little nervous to tell you the truth, especially the first landing. There's like a big sea of lights. I wasn't really sure where I am, but and after that I got much better. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.